we are back in my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen, and today I'm going to make for you what used to be one of my favorite vegetables. I loved kale. This is before we were keto. We were mostly plant-based, and we actually raw for one small part of time. And kale salads were my best. This is a massaged kale salad. It is so good. So to start off, in my bowl, and this, I made this bowl. It's a very big bowl because you'll see you're going to need a big bowl. We're going to add olive oil. How much? I don't know. Enough so that that's like 4 squirts. To that, you're going to add salt. Make sure you have enough salt because you want it to taste a little salty. That's probably 1.5 teaspoons. And black pepper. Whoops, not that much pepper. And to that, you're going to add some garlic cloves. I'm probably going to add 2. Well, we got 3 here. We'll add 3. I love garlic. I'm Sicilian. So what you're going to do is you're going to mash up. I have a, what is this called? There was a mortar and pestle, but this is whatever. So you're going to smash up the garlic. And I store my garlic in the pantry in vodka. And it doesn't spoil that way. And then I always have fresh garlic. I bought this kale. It's a pound of kale. It's already kind of in pieces. But if there are any parts where there are like stems, just take the stems off. This seems pretty good. As I said, I haven't bought kale in a long time. See this stem here? You're gonna rip that off because you don't want any hard stem parts. Well, I'll show you what you're gonna do, and this is gonna take a while. This is a lot of kale, hence the big bowl. We used to grow our own kale, and in Mystic, Connecticut, kale grew like crazy. So I used to make kale chips in my dehydrator, and now we're mostly carnivore, so I haven't had kale in probably 10 years. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure try to cover the kale with the olive oil. And then you're just gonna, once it's covered with oil, you're just gonna massage it like this. Really hard massaging it, it'll break down the kale. Keep getting it in the olive oil. So the kale is all massaged, and you can see the difference. It like shrunk to like half. I did not use the whole pound of kale. I just maybe a little more than half of it because it's just Carl and myself. So put some in here and try it. Oh, I can't wait. It's been so long since I've had massaged kale, and I love it. Okay, make sure you have enough salt, have enough garlic. It's so tender. It's not harsh like kale. No, I can't talk. It's not harsh and tough like kale usually is. It's so tender. Just massage it, massage it, massage it, massage it. And oh, it's amazing. Can bring it to any potluck. People love it. They won't even recognize it as kale. It's not cooked, it's raw, which is why, we had it when we were doing raw. Raw was mostly nuts, but this kale was amazing. So, massaged kale salad, amazing.